welcome to Metal Craft and Design. I hope all you will be fine. Today in the studio, we will explore a variety of inspiring and creative scrap metal welding project ideas that will unleash your inner artist and the handyman. From functional pieces to artistic creations, these projects will showcase the beauty and versatility of welding and the potential of scrap metal. One popular scrap metal welding project idea is constructing a unique and industrial style home decoration, metal arts, and building a metal sculpture or garden art piece. Let your imagination run wild as you transform scrap metal into a stunning sculpture that can be seen in the studio, and you can display it in your yard or garden. From abstract designs to lifelike animals, welding offers endless possibilities for creating eye-catching and durable outdoor artwork. If you are looking to add functionality to your space, consider constructing a custom metal storage cabinet or shelving unit. For those with a green thumb, welding can be used to create metal planters or trellises. By welding together metal rods or sheets, you can design and build sturdy structures to support your climbing plants or create unique planters. These projects can add an artistic touch to your garden while showcasing your welding abilities. Scrap metal welding projects can also be functional pieces of your kitchen or dining area. Create a custom metal wine rack or contemporary metal dining table or even metal bar stools. These projects not only provide a practical solutions but also add an industrial and modern touch to your culinary space. When working with scrap metal and welding, safety should always be a priority. You can make from scrap metal beautiful animals and your home decoration decor pieces which will inspire your guests as well as your family members. You can construct these metal art scrap pieces by using different methods, although this will be a very difficult, but you can practice it and you can get more expertise by using and making different art pieces for your home decoration. One of the most exciting aspects of scrap metal welding project is the ability to experiment with different finishes and techniques. Consider adding unique textures, patinas, or paint finishes to your welded creations to enhance their visual appeal. Let your creativity shine as you transform scrap metal into stunning works of art. I hope you will love these design of metal scrap metal ideas. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel Metal Craft and Designs for more latest design ideas of scrap metal as well as scrap wood ideas. If you need any help, please comment us on our latest upload. We will respond you as soon as possible. These metal are is made from the silver as well as iron scrap metal, and you can overchange these designs into according to your needs. But the method of making these designs is same for all. Please appreciate my work and appreciate my videos so that I can put more effort to make your metal art, scrap metal art more beautiful than usual. Please keep in touch with my videos and like, share, and subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching.